WA's resource sector hits record sales. Revealed, the healthcare stock on a 5-day surge. And who will inherit Barry Humphries' fortune? Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grappa. WA's booming resources sector is raking it in, according to figures released today. Sales of our gas and precious metals hit a record $246 billion last year. That's $15 billion more than 2021. The big rise is partly due to higher gas prices around the world, meaning cash received from WA's LNG exports nearly doubled in 2022. And revenues from lithium exploded to $16.3 billion, 6 times higher than the previous year. A ka-ching! The word of warning though, the price of iron ore, still the state's biggest earner, has been falling recently. Lower demand from China has seen prices drop 15% since March, meaning less cash for the miners of that metal. Good job we've got tons of gas and lithium then. From resources to the military, the word of the day is defense. The Defense Minister, Richard Marles, said our nation's armed forces were no longer fit for purpose when releasing a review today. Apparently, we need more boats and long-range missiles to counter China's military buildup. The review recommends increasing the defense budget by up to $19 billion over the next 4 years. Companies like Codan and Austal, which have contracts with the ADF, are higher today. Moving on to the market today, and Grappa's dark horse of the day is WestGold Resources. The junior gold miners' shares have climbed 21% in the last 30 days. WestGold's Big Bear Gold project showed great results last month, and investors have been bulking up on the stock ever since. Still to come, the Dame Edna inheritance shock and the health stock on a winning run. Stick around. Shares in funeral services provider InvoCare crashed almost 8% today after TPG pulled out of its takeover deal. Investors reacted by dumping the stock. Time to close the coffin on that one. The Australian comic, famous for his alter ego Dame Edna, has left $12 million in his fortune, and it seems his fourth wife, Lizzie Spender, may get the bulk of the inheritance. Probably zip for Humphrey's son Oscar though, who was cut out of the will 5 years ago. Oscar's mum was Humphrey's third wife, Diane Milstead, whom he split with on bad terms in the 80s. We haven't heard whether Oscar managed to reconcile with his dad before he passed away. And finally, it's been a 5-day winning streak for healthcare stock Silk Laser. Shares have been surging since the pharma arm of West Farmers lodged a takeover bid, pushing the stocks on an upward trend as smooth as silk. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au. Or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grappa.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. FYI, there'll be no episode tomorrow of Trading Up as we pay our respects on Anzac Day. I've been Colin Ebsworth. We'll see you next time.